A select query returned 0 rows, but the table had data. The worksheet was connected to the wrong database and schema. Welcome to this beginner's guide to Snowsight, the web interface for Snowflake. We'll explore worksheets, notebooks, and the Copilot AI assistant, and by the end, you'll be able to navigate Snowsight confidently. Covers what you need. Snowsight is Snowflake's modern web interface. It's your command center for querying, visualizing, and analyzing data, where you use worksheets for SQL queries, notebooks for interactive analysis, and Copilot for AI assistance. Let's dive into each. Log into your Snowflake account. You'll land on Snowsight Home, then navigate to the Worksheets panel. Each worksheet has its own context, database, schema, and warehouse. Set these using drop-downs or SQL commands. Here's a typical setup. First, set your database, schema, and warehouse. Then run a simple query. The results appear below in a table. Worksheets are flexible SQL editors with syntax highlighting, multiple tabs, and autocomplete. You can save and organize your work into folders and share with team members. Results appear in the results grid and can be exported to CSV or JSON. You can use session variables for dynamic queries. Define a variable with set and reference it with a $sign. A pattern that burns teams. Running a query in a worksheet that points to the wrong database or schema, like using dev.db when the orders table lives in prod.db, so the table isn't found. Always verify your context before executing and switch to the correct database to make the query work. Notebooks are like Jupyter notebooks, but integrated with Snowflake. They use cell-based execution, making them ideal for exploration and sharing. You can mix SQL, Python, and Markdown cells for interactive analysis, with results displayed right inline. Here's a SQL cell in a notebook. It runs against Snowflake and displays results as a table or chart. Snowflake Copilot is an AI assistant that helps you write SQL. You can ask questions in natural language, and it offers context-aware suggestions to help generate SQL or explain queries. For instance, ask Copilot to find orders from the last 7 days, and it generates the SQL. Always review the output before running. Copilot can generate DDL statements like drop table that execute without review, risking accidental data loss. The fix adds a prominent warning comment, prompting mandatory review before execution. Follow best practices. Organize your work, use descriptive names, choose the right warehouse size for your queries, and review query history to optimize performance. Use a small warehouse for quick checks to save credits and a larger warehouse for heavy queries. Monitor usage with account usage views. Notebooks can be scheduled to run automatically, parameterized, and extended with Python libraries like pandas and matplotlib, enabling everything from advanced analytics to rich visualizations. Here's a Python cell that uses pandas and matplotlib to create a bar chart from a SQL result. This is powerful for data exploration. The root cause: the developer had multiple worksheets open. One worksheet was connected to the correct database, but they accidentally ran the query in another worksheet that pointed to a different database where the table didn't exist. The query returned 0 rows even though the data was there. The fix is simple. Always verify your context before running queries. Check the current database and schema with Select Current Database, Current Schema. Then switch to the correct database with Use Database. Descriptive worksheet naming avoids the same confusion later, and you'll see that 200 OK response. This is the exact mistake from the incident: running the query without verifying context. The fix adds a pre-query context check using current database and current schema to ensure you're in the right database and schema before executing. For diagnostics, run Select Current Database, Current Schema, Current Warehouse to check your context. If the UI is unresponsive, clear your browser cache. For warehouse issues, use Show Warehouses. Time for common interview questions. Snowsight is the modern web interface. Set context with drop-downs or SQL. Copilot is an AI assistant for SQL generation. FAQs demystified. Worksheets are for SQL only, notebooks are multi-language. Sharing is internal only. Copilot requires admin activation. To recap, Snowsight is your main workspace. Use worksheets for SQL, notebooks for interactive analysis, and Copilot as an assistant. Always verify your context and choose the right warehouse size. Thanks for watching. The full article and code examples are covered in detail at thecodeforge.io.